रेडियो का बच्चन बच्चन रेडियो का बच्चन प्रेजेंटिंग रेडियो का बच्चन
मैं हूँ रेडियो का बच्चन टीम शो। में मेरे साथ है मिस्टर अनमोल जग्गी, द को-फाउंडर ऑफ ब्लू स्मार्ट मोबिलिटी, इंडिया's largest clean energy services provider. Hi and welcome, Mr. Anmol.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you doing?
All good, sir. घर पे बैठे हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, all is well.
ये बात तो सही है. First of all, tell me, I would like to know, this blue smart mobility has really worked. What is the secret behind it?
Sir, I think people loved the concept that you can travel in a environment-friendly manner, and our electric cars are ensuring that people are able to travel in an environment-friendly manner. And I think that is the most attractive aspect. And then, of course, we are offering very reliable and safe rides. So that's why people are very interested in traveling by Blue Smart. Just sharing आपके साथ सिर्फ एक छोटा सा डेटा शेयर कर रहा हूँ जो Google Analytics हमें बताता है. लगभग 45% of our consumers are ladies in the age of 25 to 34, and that just tells that they find our service to be very reliable and very safe, and that's why we have 45% of our consumers from this category.
क्या बात है. It's a very big category because India is a nation of youngsters.
Yeah, and this is ladies in the age of 25 to 34. So these are, and I've spoken to a lot of them. These are young mothers. And young professionals who are going to their offices, and they love Blue Smart because Blue Smart is environment friendly, is reliable, and is safe.
Anmol, there was a time when we all used to talk about we have to do something to save the environment, everything, and also because of our lifestyles, we couldn't do much about it. Mobility, things have started shaping up, and I mean in a positive way. Would you care to comment on this? What made you start Blue Smart Mobility, and when was the first time you thought that I'll work on something like this?
So I'll break this up into two parts. First one, I think everybody has to travel from point A to point B for various reasons, and that cannot be avoided. But if you use Blue Smart, our thing is that is your good deed of the day. So while you are traveling, you are also saving the environment, and using Blue Smart becomes a good deed of the day for you. And that's how our clients kind of view it. As regarding when did I start thinking about Blue Smart and doing into electric mobility, so I've been a renewable energy entrepreneur since 2007, having set up multiple solar power plants, wind power plants all through the last 12-13 years. And electric mobility was just the next natural progression, because I think since 2007 we were working on making the environment a better place, and doing it by commercial means and not by philanthropic means. So doing it by setting up solar power plants, wind power plants, and now with electric mobility, I think we are just doing what our passion says, and our passion is to make money the right way, saving environment, and giving our clients a great service.
And it's a win-win situation for all of us.
Absolutely. So we say it should be a win-win situation for the people, which is our clients. It should be a win-win situation for Earth because we should be sustainable, and it should be a win-win situation for our balance sheet.
So Anmol, just tell me कि अभी तो बहुत ही challenging situation है, it's lockdown situation, everybody is staying at home. So ऐसे में Blue Smart कैसे cope कर रहा है with the change in this scenario?
Thankfully for us, we had raised capital at the right time, and God was very kind on us that we were able to do it. We are right now in a lockdown, and there is zero operations. We have a few emergency cars which have been requested by hospitals and other emergency services. So just a few 5-7 cars which are for emergency services. We have got the emergency passes, and they ply on the road. But most of our operations is in Gurgaon, and in Gurgaon is in orange now. So we are planning to start our operations in the next 3 to 4 days there. Of course, it will not be a full-scaled operations because demand will still be low. But because we have all electric cars, and all electric cars come to our charging hub 2 times a day, and when they come to the charging hub, we sanitize these cars very nicely. So we are able to give a very high degree of assurance to our clients that you're riding in a sanitized and a good car. So that's why we are seeing some demand coming back, and a lot of our clients have written to us. A lot of clients have called me up to ask when Blue Smart is starting, and I think in the next 4 days we should be up and running.
That's a very good news. But tell me something. 100% electric cars है, ये एक USP है. Another USP is that the drivers never cancel any ride. Customer perspective से ये बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. How did you overcome this challenge?
So sir, it's a matter कि आपको आपके incentives align करने हैं ड्राइवर पार्टनर के incentive के साथ. अगर आप ड्राइवर पार्टनर को sufficiently incentivize करेंगे किसी काम के लिए, not just a driver partner, किसी भी human being को आप किसी चीज के लिए sufficiently incentivize करेंगे तो वो चीज करेंगे. So we have sufficiently incentivized our driver partners that if they don't cancel, then there will be a very good incentive that will be paid out, and I think that's a clear motivation for all the driver partners. And driver partner cancel क्यों करते हैं कि भाई कैश का ट्रिप मिलना चाहिए, हमको वॉलेट का ट्रिप नहीं चाहिए. But because these cars are owned by us, so that's why the driver partners are not in that hassle, and they are able, and because they are also sufficiently incentivized to not cancel. I think we have done more than 180,000 rides till date, and hardly cancelled any ride.
So if somebody new has heard about Blue Smart Mobility, what to do, what app to download, where to go, how to book a ride, do whatever comes with Blue Smart Mobility.
Yeah, please. So thanks for saying that. And but you can go to the iOS store and the Android store. We have a app in both of these stores. Currently, you would see that it will say that we are not operating, but in the next 4 days, when we will start operating, you can start using the Blue Smart app, and it is available on both iOS store and Apple store. We are just about 100 days old right now, and in these 100 days, we have now close to 36,000 downloads of our app. Almost 9,000 people on a weekly basis use our card. A good number of people who are riding, and we believe that before the end of the year, we will see every day 10,000 plus customers riding on our card.
No, that's massive, Anmol. I mean, are you happy that the way you planned up, it's shaping up that way?
So as an entrepreneur, I can never be happy. As an entrepreneur, I have to keep striving to take it to next level. But yes, I think the initial results are very positive, and I want to thank each one of our team members, our customers, our driver partners who have helped us come to here, and it's their dedication which takes us ahead. So yes, a good achievement, but we are still very small, and a big mission is in front of us to ensure that the earth is a good place to live.
So Anmol, one last question. Blue Smart के post lockdown क्या plans?
Sir, so like I mentioned, in the next 4 days we should be operational in Gurgaon because Gurgaon is the orange zone. And आज सुबह ही हमारी airport पे बात हो रही थी. Blue Smart also operates out of Terminal 3 airport, and I think we are meeting and exceeding all the things that airport has laid down as safety precautions for sanitization. So whenever the airport starts, we will start from there also. And we have a small fleet in Bombay, but Bombay is totally under a lockdown, and looks like that lockdown is going to be there for a long time, as it's the highest number of cases there. But Gurgaon, which is our Karam Bhumi, we are starting in Gurgaon in the next 4 days.
Wow, great. Good to hear all this good news from your side, and thank you so much for connecting, Anmol. Wish you a very happy and successful business journey now that you've started and you're growing with every passing day. Congratulations.
Thanks, Piyush. Thanks a lot.